my heart feels the way. I just wanna hold you, I just wanna hold you, I just wanna hold you. I feel your heart beat against mine. It makes me wanna cry, it's so sweet and delicate, I can't stand. Then my bravery will take over and I'll say and sing these words from the heart. Sorry I tried to kiss your lips those times we danced, but the way you get close to mine, I don't seem to understand. I see every time it gets way too intense for you. You pass me off on some other woman. It's so saddening when all I can say to you is you're the one I want. You're the one I want. She could love you, she could love you, but she won't love you. I just wanna hold her, I just wanna hold her, but she won't love you, she won't love you. These are my heart's tragedies, and it sounds like this, and it sounds like this. I don't seem to understand. You say I'm inspiring, but you're the beautiful one.